Okay, so this video is a complete plan to stop bites and eliminate bed bugs. It's practical, step-by-step, and built to treat eggs, hidden adults, and reintroduction so you can win this fight. Here's the thing, if you're exhausted or worried about bed bugs biting your family, this guide lays out immediate steps and a longer schedule you can follow at home. It covers cleaning, barriers, monitoring, and targeted spraying. For the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. You know what really mattered for us? Treating the whole problem. Eggs, hidden adults, and reintroduction, not just the bugs you spot. That idea is what makes this plan work. This one's important. Do these things right away to reduce bites and make the rest of the treatment easier. They're the first moves you should take tonight. Okay, so first things, put mattress and box spring encasements on. Then wash everything that touched your bed on hot and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Finally, pull the bed away from walls and clear clutter so bugs have fewer places to travel. This one's practical. Put interceptors under each bed leg to catch and monitor bugs. And keep a strict clean versus suspected routine for sheets and clothes so you don't recontaminate laundered items. You'll notice fewer bites fast, and you get a safer place to sleep while you start the full treatment. These moves buy you time and reduce the chance the bugs spread while you work on the deeper problems. Okay, the core plan follows week by week. It combines cleaning, barriers, monitoring, and both contact and residual sprays. Don't rely on just one thing. Here's the core principle. You have to be comprehensive. Spraying alone rarely fixes it. Cleaning, barriers, monitoring, plus contact and residual sprays together are what work. This is the action plan for the first days. Deep clean and vacuum seams, seal cracks, and clear clutter. Right away install encasements and interceptors and keep bags and shoes off the bed. Start a spray strategy with a contact spray for visible bugs and a labeled residual where bugs walk, following label directions. Here's the schedule that helps. Spray twice a week for the first month, then once a week for 2 to 3 more months while you keep encasements, laundering, and interceptors in place. Frequent treatments knock down numbers fast, and weekly follow-ups catch late hatching eggs and survivors. Keep checking interceptors and mattress seams every week, launder bedding every 1 to 2 weeks on high, and reapply sprays on schedule. Track what you treated and when. If you use desiccants, apply them sparingly in cracks away from people and pets and follow the label. This one's realistic. Be persistent. Bed bug eggs can hatch after treatments, so regular follow-up over several months is essential. Stick with the schedule and don't give up if you see a bug or two. A few extra measures and how to confirm you're clear are important. These keep the problem from restarting and tell you when you're safe. You can also steam clean mattresses and upholstery where safe. Steam gets into places sprays can't. Treat luggage and secondhand furniture with heat or inspect them before bringing them in. If you throw out heavily infested items, wrap and label them and put them out on trash day so neighbors aren't exposed. You'll know you're very likely clear if you don't see live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 months in a row. Keep monitoring those 3 months after stopping active treatments. Interceptors and visual checks make this part easy. Remember, bed bugs are a problem to solve, not a reflection of you. Keep treating on schedule and protect your mattress. You can do this. For the tools and products we recommend to finish the job, click the link below.